Hi and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make guacamole. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel below. So what you'll need for this recipe, for the guacamole, is some cilantro, jalapeno, chili powder, the tomato, half of onion or a small onion, and then 1 whole avocado. You'll also need some white wine for sipping. Doesn't that look delicious? But first, let's take a sip of that wine. What you want to make sure that you have ready to go is your lime juice. Alright, so I'm going to get that started. You'll also have your halved avocado, pitted, and ready to be scooped. The cool trick about this is that the lime juice helps prevent the avocado from oxidizing or turning brown. So you want to mix them as soon as possible. Alright. As you can see, some of it did start turning brown, which is fine. Alright. If you find the spoon not easy to use, hello, then you can use a fork. Some people use potato mashers as a trick to getting the avocado efficient. Next, you want to dice the tomato. When you dice the tomato, make sure you de-seed. And so, slice the tomatoes, put it in a strainer, rinse it, and take the seeds and the meat. And then tomatoes and tomatoes go in here. So let's do this, shall we? After you're done dicing the tomatoes, you'll want to chop up the jalapeno. Remove the seeds if you don't want it too spicy. Keep them in if you like it spicy. And of course, the onions you'll also want to dice. And then once everything's cut up, you then can combine it with the mashed guacamole. This is a great time to take another sip of your white wine. I like to add a couple other seasoning like chili powder, salt, and pepper. Now, a lot of people like to add cilantro in the guac, alright? But the key to guacamole is adding the cilantro right before you serve. Alright? And that's how it should look. You see it? That's it. That was easy. You know what time it is. Here we go. It's 1 o'clock. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video tonight. Be sure to like and subscribe right below. And then, of course, don't forget to take a sip of your wine.